Yeah, bitch. I set this shit over right here because I'm mad at my niggas. Man, fuck. I'm in this piece of shit. Spending the night, my mom's left me here. Fuck this shit. Shit pissing me off. So, I woke up this morning right tired as fuck. Motherfucker. My fucking niggas making pancakes. Ate that pancake. They have enough syrup pissing me off. Fuck that shit. And so, I'm at the computer. Still hungry, bitch. I'm all like, nigga, go make some more pancakes. He's like, alright. I'm all like, hurry up, nigga. I'm walking slow as shit. Motherfucker. And so, he making pancakes. I'm like, what the fuck that smell like? I'm all like, nigga, better make some fucking pancakes. I'll come there and whoop your ass, bitch. And so, he making pancakes, right? Shit, it was kinda like not done and shit. I slapped that nigga so fast, nigga started whining and shit. I'm like, shut that shit up. I don't want to hear that shit. Yeah, and so, I was like, fuck that. And so I went to the restaurant, some Mexican restaurant shit. I heard it was pretty good. I give him a burrito. We walked down the street, right? I see a couple girls. Thought I was going to get some pussy. Girl come me over, she like, wanna fuck? I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hold my burrito. I'm like, nah, fuck that shit. She's all like, I go over there, and she's all like, he's too young for me. I'm like, fuck that bitch. Smacked that shit so hard, started riding the bitch and said, fuck you. Took my gat out and smacked her across the face. Don't fuck with me. And so, I went back to the house. I was like, nigga, you better make me something else, and it better be done, bitch. And so he's like, alright. He's all like, you want some waffles and some chicken? I'm like, nigga, don't play that race shit on me. I'll fuck you up, bitch. Yeah. And so, I'm like, I'm eating that waffles and chicken fries, right? He's all like, Chase like, Roscoe chicken and waffles. I'm like, hell no. Shit's fucking nasty as fuck. But it's good, alright, it's alright. And so, I eat that shit all up, right? And then, his girlfriend walk in. I'm like, what's up, ho? And he's all like, don't talk to my girlfriend one day. I'm like, fuck you! What you gonna do? You gonna fuck me up? Bitch, I fuck you up. And so, she walk in, right? I'm all like, come sit right here. Come sit next to daddy. He's like, don't do that. I'm all like, shut the fuck up! Don't talk to me like that. And so, I'm all making out and shit, right? He over there crying like a little bitch. I'm like, shut that shit up. I said, go in your fucking room. And so, I'm all like, you a virgin? She's like, yeah. I'm all like, well, you ain't tonight, bitch. We about to do it right now. So I pop out the condom out of my wallet, right? And she's all like, I never did this before. I'm all like, I know, bitch, you say you're a virgin, right? But you gonna like this shit. And so, pop it out, put it on, right? She's all like, so what do you do next? I'm like, bitch, don't you know what porno? She's like, no. Okay. She's all like, you little cunt? I'm like, you little cunt? What, you a Christian or something? She's like, yeah, we don't watch that stuff. I'm like, bitch, well, you gonna watch that shit tonight? And so, I'm getting that pussy, right? And then I fall asleep. And she kept herself trying to leave. I grabbed that bitch so fast by her ponytail. Like, bitch, get your ass back in here. You ain't leaving this shit. We about to get some morning pussy too, bitch. Yeah. And so, my little Hindu friend come in. And he sees me laid up with his girlfriend. I'm like, motherfucker, didn't I tell your ass to get back in your motherfucking room, bitch? And so he runs in real quick. Motherfucking over here pissing me off. Like, man, fuck this shit. I'm out. Is that shit unforgivable?